Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to play Call of Duty Warzone or Warzone 2 on your iPad Pro. So of course, Warzone 2 needs to be released on the Xbox for that, but Warzone 1 can work anytime. Okay, so to get this started, you need either an Xbox or PlayStation console. If you don't have a console, no Warzone for you. From here, then you're going to open up the settings app on your Xbox or PlayStation, and you just want to enable remote features. So click on devices and connections, remote features, and then enable that toggle. On PlayStation, where you navigate is slightly different. I don't know exactly where it is, just keep that in mind. Then on the iPad Pro itself, you're going to load up the App Store. You're either going to download Xbox app or PlayStation app, they're completely free. Open up the app. For me, it's going to start remote play, so I'm just going to reload the app. And when you open up for the very first time, it will ask you to sign in to your Microsoft account or your PlayStation account. Just log in. And then from here, tap on this icon. And then tap on remote play to this device and continue. So on the PlayStation app, the process will be slightly different, but as long as you have the app, you should be able to figure it out, and then you're good to go. So from here, you're mirroring the screen of your Xbox or PlayStation to your iPad Pro, okay? The audio will also come out the iPad Pro. You can also connect an Xbox or PlayStation controller to the iPad Pro to control your Xbox or PlayStation remotely as well. So all you do from here, load up the Warzone, and you're good to go. Of course, I do need to upgrade my Warzone software. For you, if you don't need to, everything's going to work, no issues, okay? If I just show you another Call of Duty game which doesn't require software update, you can see everything's fully working. I'm straight into the zombies, right? The quick resume seems to have glitched it out, but yeah, you can play full-on Call of Duty, Warzone, even any game you have on your Xbox Series S. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye-bye.